The 3 lights were sent by mail. They are the packages we received, containing these 3 lights. 1, 2, 3 lights. This is the track. The one side has already been connected. This is the gateway. This is the PSU, and this is the gateway. And this is the communicator. This is the panel. This panel can control these 3 lights. Let me demonstrate. First, unlock it. Then, press the first button to turn off the light. Press the first switch to turn off the light. Turn off the second switch. Then turn off the third switch. It is also possible to turn on the lights. All 3 lights can be turned on. Then adjust the brightness. First, turn off these 2 switches. Don't affect the effect. Dim the first one by adjusting the brightness. Press and hold the button above. Dim the first light. Then brighten the first light. Then turn on the second light. Give him the second light. Dim it. Beautiful. Okay, then turn on the third light. The third light. Dim it.